Hey everybody, it's Coach.
And Mrs. Coach.
This is CoachCastTV, and I'm going into this particular video a little hesitant.
Wow.
Well, this is a Nightwish song, and that does not make me hesitate at all. But I don't like spiders.
Yeah, you'll get over it.
We all know I don't like spiders. And this song is called Spider Silk.
Aww.
And this video only came out, as the day we're recording it, only came out 5 days prior.
Ooh.
So it's pretty new video, and it's from their newer album. Mm-hmm. And it's one that's been recommended multiple times. Mm-hmm. And so I am going to put aside my arachnophobia for the Nightwish Army.
Spiders don't bother me.
And we have an agreement. Mrs. Coach kills the spiders. I take care of the snakes.
Sometimes you take care of the snakes.
Except when I can't be bothered because I'm busy doing something important. But in any case, we're going to see what Spider Silk is all about coming up next. All right, here we go.
Okay.
If I'm being honest, I don't like spider webs either. Who's with me?
You weave during the moonlight hours? Did you create, or did you wait and try the other way fly, sucking him dry? Where did you get that little cross on your back, mark for life, a needle in a haystack, a laboring beast, ready to feast?
Well, this kind of goes up and down a little.
You're going to have nightmares tonight, aren't you?
No, I'll be fine. But I liked when it kicked up. You know that I was going to say that. But they always sound pleasing, even when they turn it down and have the softer sound.
I tell you what, like I've said before, Nightwish is a different breed. When you watch a Nightwish video, it's like you've been to this grand production, and it's a deep production. It's got deep meaning.
Yeah, it's rare that you take a look at lyrics to any of their songs and those lyrics would be empty.
Yeah.
In fact, I don't know that I have. I think that every single production that they do is very well written, and it has an intent. It's not just a song to create a song.
Yeah.
It's a song to create a message and to create art. And they're pretty spectacular with that.
Spider silk, a golden unsung wonders, motionless. She looks for stolen moments, spinning away, a mystery play. Emotionless, she picks her life in waiting, cutting the yarn, another death creating. Spider silk, a beautiful spin.
You know what I was thinking when I was listening to that is they kind of spun a web of sound in that for us, because there were so many layers and interconnected sounds going on all at the same time.
Well, I noticed when Flora was singing, you heard a very light kind of person in the background. Was that Troy?
It may well have been.
It was just, I mean, if you're not paying attention, you would have missed it. But it was just like so subtly.
Yeah, and just the layering of the keyboards and every other instrument in there.
You could hear the drums. Yeah.
It was very well done, and quite honestly, I just can't disconnect that whole web. It was a web of sound, was what that was.
Yeah, crazy.
Spin away the delicate silver silk of your web. Cut the thread and weave anew. The delicate silver silk of your web. On your masterpiece, cut the thread. One so far from a newly dead and weave a new one. Spin away the delicate silver silk of your web. On your masterpiece, cut the thread. One so far from a newly dead and weave a new one. Spin away, spin away, spin away, spin
An interesting outro. Well, you know, that obviously could be a song about a spider, but I believe that it could also be about someone who in different relationships with people, and I don't necessarily mean romantic relationships, just any kind of relationship with interpersonal relationships, that spin their tales and create havoc in someone's life, and then just leave a trail of destruction essentially behind them and move on to the next. That is something that I was thinking when I was kind of reading those lyrics, is this could have a much, much deeper meaning.
Well, and also too, when you were looking at the end, you know, you couldn't see what the spider was in, but that was a rose. So you've got the darkness of the Black Widow with the rose. There's beauty and dark, and everybody has their own spin on things. So it could be an introspective. Yeah, an introspective internally, because you change your personality when you're around certain people, and people reinvent themselves because they change their views. It's just crazy. I tell you what, Nightwish makes you think.
Yeah.
They do.
And it could be all of those meanings, because it could be all crisscrossed and interconnected, like the sound of the solo part there, where it was just every direction there was different sounds coming at you. So I can guarantee you one thing: anything that Tuomas wrote, there's probably multiple ways you can take the art.
I tell you what, Nightwish, if you listen to them and really listen to them, they just make you stop and think. Yeah. And it's just simple. But it's the way he puts everything together, and the way it comes together.
I agree. That was normally not my what I would call style of music, but that was pretty good.
I will be honest with you. Out of their new album and the ones we listen to, I think this is my favorite.
Really?
Yes.
Interesting.
I like that.
And you know what? It's not always, with every group, it's not always the title track that reaches out and grabs you. Sometimes it's something that's buried deep on the album that may not be as popular and get as many plays because it's not promoted. But I have a lot of albums like that that I like something that's almost never been heard in some cases. But anyway, let us know what you guys would like to hear next, whether it's from this new album or any of the others. We're game for pretty much anything Nightwish.
Absolutely. I just grow my playlist.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for hanging out with us, and make sure you throw a thumbs up that you are subscribed.
And ring that bell.
And we'll see you soon on CoachCast TV.